The compact Kalstein tissue processor is a game-changer for small laboratories seeking to improve the quality of tissue section processing, offering high-performance equipment for limited spaces. The tissue processor features a streamlined structure with an APS coating that offers exceptional corrosion resistance, and it operates on 220 volts, 50 Hz or 110 volts, 60 Hz AC power. Temperature range from ambient temperature to 80 degrees Celsius with drip time about 30 seconds and agitation frequency 2 times per minute for thorough processing. Capacity of each cup 700 milliliters with 12 total cups, 9 for reagents and 3 for paraffin, handling over 40 tissue samples simultaneously. Dimensions 795 by 435 by 415 millimeters, weight 50 kilograms, power 500 watts for any laboratory space requirement. Programming allows any duration from 0 to 99 hours for the first cup and 0 to 24 hours for other cups, with manual adjustment available. Explore the complete Kalstein tissue processing catalog. Precision, efficiency and innovation for every laboratory need. Visit kalstein.net and bring science to life.